And what are the challenges? I think very less doctors. Okay. You both of you, this is like ladies' one. Guru, you and so when you have
we don't have any specialists. Only do allopathy and our Ayush doctor and homeo doctor and then everything.
Oh, you have me. No, Ayurvedic. Okay. And so you are promoting Baba Ramdev. Again, sir, understood. And homeo, you Dr. Rekhi ji will start with you. Yes, sir. Maharani is the homeo. So what are the we have gynae and how many others? One. Where's the what evidence? What evidence is it? This is separated problem. Is it a multi-variant? And who is the main person in charge here? Sir, Dr. Modi.
One patient is
COVID? Pantop 14. So you I was saying so I know too much